if you would like to show some support, hit subscribe and ding the bell so that you'll get notifications when new videos come out. Guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerd and Nummies. Today, look who I'm hanging out with! Hey! It's JoJo! I am so excited.
This video, you have to be called Roro.
Deal.
It's
JoJo and Roro today.
Nailing it.
If someone isn't familiar with your content, you're everywhere. But if someone wasn't familiar, where could they check you out?
You can check me out on social media. It's JoJo Siwa. My YouTube, just search JoJo Siwa. I don't know.
And this is how you spell her name right over
Yes,
here.
if you need help spelling it, if you're little.
I just absolutely love this girl. I love everything she makes. You have such good energy.
Thank you,
thank you. She makes bows and shows and clothes. You have clothes coming out.
I have lots of clothes. My brand new Target collection, JoJo's Closet, just came out in all stores, so that's really cool.
I know. I would wear a size small in your line.
I could get you some of my clothes.
I would be a size small because I'm really short.
You're little, yeah.
I have heels on right now, but I'm really like here.
Would you be a child small?
Oh my god, I'm a child's medium.
Me too.
I wear a child-size medium. I am not joking.
I will hook you up with the most JoJo merch ever because we have so much child medium stuff, so much of it. So I will send you it.
Are you serious? I even wore my bow today because I knew you were coming.
If you want it,
I wear my bow.
If you want it, I will 100% send it to you.
I would love this.
Okay, she's getting really excited right now.
When your book came out, I got it. I was so excited about this. This is her book too, and she has a new book coming out with your dog.
I mean, technically it's my dog's book, but there is a ghostwriter on it because, it's a dog. I don't think she writes her own books. But it's JoJo Loves Bobo, A Day in the World's Cutest Canine. So it's a really cute picture book of Bobo. And I'm in it too, but it's Bobo's book. That's my book.
We are going to have so much fun today. We are going to be making something unicorn themed.
That's
and I love this because I saw that you made a unicorn milkshake
on
the cover of...
yes. Make it up.
Make it up.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's it. I just made a cute little unicorn cupcake kit.
I love it.
We're making unicorn cupcakes.
Literally obsessed with unicorns. Like unicorns, rainbows, and sparkles. It's my life.
I'm going to be putting links down below to JoJo's book and a bunch of other of her links and everything she's got going on because she's a busy lady. She's a busy bee. There's a lot of things to check out.
Oh, yeah.
And I'll also be putting links down below to this unicorn cupcake kit if you were interested. So let me put these off to the side.
I'm so excited for this.
Okay, here we go.
Let's get started.
Today we're making a coconut cupcake recipe and I'll be putting all the ingredients and measurements down below so you can check that out in the description. And it is also a recipe that is from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round.
Yay!
So I'm so excited.
I'm ordering your new book. I'm pre-ordering it.
Oh my gosh, I'll send you
Wait,
one.
I'm doing it right now. Hold on. Give me a second.
I'll send you one. Oh my gosh, JoJo, I'm blushing. You can't see, I'm blushing.
It's available on October 23rd.
That's right, it comes out in October, right before Halloween.
All right, I'm checking it out.
And before cookie season. I can't believe
you didn't bet that I would do this. Yes,
so
I'm doing it. Hold on. Give me one more second.
Oh my gosh, you know what I just thought of too? My sister's nickname is Mo. When we do questions together, it's Mo and Ro. So we'll call her Momo. I'll be Ro.
Oh my gosh.
You'll be JoJo. The dog's Bobo. We've just tried to say that 3 times fast.
JoJo, Roro, Momo, Bobo. JoJo, Roro, Momo, Bobo. All
right,
I did it.
I cannot believe you
did it.
that, girl.
There's my book order. I just pre-ordered it. Everyone go do the same. All right, let's make food.
JoJo, what's your baking experience? You like cupcakes.
I do like cupcakes. I went through a phase, a very, very strong phase where I had to have every color of frosting, every kind of tip you could own. I had to have everything. I actually had some of your stuff. I had some of your baking line, your past baking line. Yeah, and I made cupcakes all the time, literally every day. This phase lasted about a month and a half. Every single day.
Whoa, you went deep in there. That's
Yeah.
pretty hardcore. So
It's
she's
fun.
familiar with the cupcakes. You know what to do. So in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna mix all of these things together. So if you wanna crack the 2 eggs.
All right, I'm on it.
And you did it,
I did it.
2
Good,
eggs,
nailed it.
boom. Then add the extract, all right?
Pressure's on, all right.
All of
I
it.
did that. That one I'm good at.
I'm gonna hand this to you.
I have to do this one too? All right,
Yeah,
all right.
one more.
Okay.
Then we add our sugar.
That I like.
Melted butter.
Why does that smell so good?
Oh my gosh, why does butter smell amazing with sugar? They're just like they're made for each other.
Wow.
Yes.
You need to make a perfume of that scent. Of like
This?
a cake scent.
I love what you're saying.
She's gonna make a Nerdy Nummy something perfume.
I love your ideas.
Okay, all right.
JoJo is the queen. She knows how to brand something. So I'm going to be taking notes. All right,
now, whisking it.
Whisk.
Am I whisking?
Yes.
All
I'll hold the bowl. I'll help.
All right, you're holding?
Because it doesn't have a lot of grip, so the more hands holding it in place, because it's a little
Okay.
Sorry. It's a little slimy. Keep whisking together until all of the sugar is really like well mixed in.
I have a game of truth or dare.
Oh my gosh, I'm so ready.
But you only get to pick truth.
Okay, truth or dare, I pick truth.
All right. Who is the best baker you've worked with and who is the worst baker you've worked with?
Okay, the best baker I worked with was a fellow foodie.
Okay.
I don't know, have you met Donald Skihan? He was at my party.
No, I don't. Maybe.
I would say he is the most talented fellow baker I've had
Okay.
because he's a fellow foodie. Like, he knows his stuff.
Fair enough.
He has like 9 cookbooks.
Okay, wow.
I need to get on his level. Like,
Love that.
Like, he's goals for me.
All right, now who's the worst baker?
The worst baker, that's debatable. There's no, it's not you. You're good. I haven't had a bad baker on the show, but I would say the messiest baker is Markiplier. Mark, you know how you do, but you're wonderful and I love you.
I love it.
And come bake anytime.
All right, is my mix mixed? I think it's mixed.
All right, we're ready for the next step. Our wet mixture is ready. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients. So JoJo, do you
I'm
wanna
doing
add,
this?
some
right.
self-rising flour?
Here we go. I did it.
Yes!
Yay!
Girl, all right, I'm gonna pass this off to you. You keep mixing.
I'm mixing.
And I'm gonna add our sweet and shredded coconut flakes.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Coconut is like one of my favorite flavors. It's so
Really?
tropical, and I could eat coconut cupcakes all day.
I've never had coconut.
Are you serious? Wait, like a coconut popsicle, a coconut ice cream,
Nothing.
a coconut cupcake?
Well, because my
coconut
family's
cake?
never liked it. Like, no one in my
Really?
family likes it.
Oh no, do you think your palate is gonna hate it? Do you think that your genetics don't like coconut?
Potentially.
Oh no, we shall see today. Dude, I should have made it fun thake. Everybody loves fun fake.
okay.
Everybody loves fun
No,
fake.
it'll be fun to try it.
What was I thinking?
I'm pumped up to try it because I've always wanted to try it.
You know what, too? We have the best Swiss buttercream icing. You can't have a bad bite of cupcake with Swiss buttercream icing.
My arm hurts.
Okay.
You done with that?
Thanks for coming over for this workout.
Wow.
See, girl, this is how you stay in shape, too, baby.
Yeah.
It's like, it really
Wow.
does work those arms. Look at that.
It's mixed. I mean,
This is great. All
mixed
right,
enough.
girl, we're ready to bake.
let's do it.
Our batter is ready. It is time to bake, so let's open this kit. I'm
Let's
gonna need
do
your
it.
help. Can you cut this one open?
I can't. Do I have to cut it or can I just open
Oh, you don't even need to. I forgot I did that. Someone must have designed that easy to use. There's the little eyes. So on Instagram, you see all of those like traditional unicorn cakes
Yeah.
with the eyes in the front, and I thought that's the hardest part to decorate.
I'm actually going to attempt to make the one for a video, the one that you made though.
Oh my gosh.
The
It's hard to pipe on at that angle.
Yes,
I found
all
that to
the-
be the hardest thing. And so these ones already have the
so
eyes
cute.
on there. JoJo, you gotta help me out
All right,
over
I'm here.
stacking.
stacking.
Okay, you stack,
All
and
right,
I'll
okay.
open the rest of the kit.
All right.
These are so cute. They're candles, but they're unicorn horns.
Those are candles?
Yeah, they're candles. So you can do like unicorn birthday party.
Mind
You
blown.
could put them in a cake. We've got little unicorn ears. So every cupcake gets 2 of these.
That
And
is so cute.
the perfect blend of rainbow sprinkles. Just know that a lot of love, time, and energy went into
gotta have
these
the perfect
exact sprinkles. There are hearts, there are stars. They are the right color of rainbow.
There you go.
I'm gonna
There
set
your
these aside.
rainbow goes.
Oh, there you go. Roro and JoJo.
And Momo and Bobo. Just
Now
bake.
it's time to scoop.
You're on scooping duty because I get way too messy when I do this.
Okay, we'll switch. I'll come over here.
Switching positions.
You
because
go over there. I'm just using a little ice cream scoop. This is a really cute baking hack. But if you don't have an ice cream scoop, just put about 2 tablespoons into each cupcake tray. You want it to be about 2/3 full.
Look at that. Nailed it.
Boom!
Got all of the scoop.
Cupcakes are done. They're ready to bake. You're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes.
The cupcakes are baked, they are cooled, and now we're ready to decorate.
Oh yeah!
This is my favorite part of fun.
Me too. This is my favorite
All
part
right, teach me what to do.
Oh my gosh. And
don't know.
in these piping bags, I've scooped in Swiss buttercream frosting, which is my favorite.
I know. All we've talked about is Swiss buttercream
buttercream.
frosting.
My love Swiss buttercream. We're using an open star tip. You can use any, and that's like the ones that look like teeth. but you can really use anything you want.
If you're not technical like her, it's a pointy tip.
So all you have to do is we're gonna swirl. So you can start in the center like you're doing and work your way out, or you can start on the outside and work your way in. Go all the way around and boop.
How'd you do that so fast?
That's really good. Look at you.
I did it! I did it!
Oh my god!
Okay, all right. Let's keep going.
I love this.
I did it! I did it
Swirl
fast
and
too! Okay, slow down.
I like your style.
I am living my best life right now as a baker.
Look at you.
Alright, nailed it.
All right.
You want my extra
Boom.
frosting? I know you love it.
I really do. I just need to taste test it. Again, oh my gosh, it is so good.
Really?
Okay,
Give me a little.
here.
Good enough.
It's just light.
That is not frosting, that is whipped cream.
It's light as air. Swiss buttercream. It is light.
Okay, here's what it is.
It's so good.
The texture and consistency of whipped cream, but it has the flavor of a buttercream frosting. I understand.
Get it. It is so good.
It's there. Yep.
It's unreal, girl.
Okay, I want a unicorn.
Okay, a little pinch of sprinkles. You can get messy.
Okay,
That's what
good,
this
because I'm
kitchen
already
is
there.
for. Good.
Glad it's all right with you.
Look how quick this is. I wanted to make a treat that you could just throw together for a party.
Literally, this took us.
I got a party, I gotta go. Boom.
Nailed it. I did it.
How are we this
Wait,
fast?
this one needs a little bit more.
These are
Yep,
this
all
is
right.
heavy sprinkles.
Okay, a little bit more. This is a beautiful mixture of sprinkles. I know you said you took forever on
I
it.
took forever to pick these colors
And
and
it
put
paid
this
off.
together, and I was like, okay, I gotta do this right. All right, now the horn, and then we'll put the ears on the side.
Cute.
Look at these.
Do I just stick it right in the middle?
Yeah, just right in the middle.
Ah, it's so cute. Nailed it.
Last thing we have to add are the little candy ears. It's just like hardened royal icing, and you just boop, put 2 of them into the cupcake.
Ah,
Look
dropping
how
my
cute.
corns.
Oh no. Yeah, some unicorns, if you break one, that's okay. Maybe some unicorns only have 1 ear.
Yeah. Wait, this means they're done.
Done.
Nailed it.
Boom!
Wow. I am proud of myself.
Ta-da! Here are the unicorn cupcakes that we made today with the delicious coconut cupcake recipe. I hope you guys enjoy them. They're so adorable.
They are
You did so
beautiful.
good.
Thank you. I tried very hard.
Look
I really
at
did.
these.
They're
She's
so
really good at baking, and
Thank
she's
you.
amazing. You guys, also a big thank you to JoJo. JoJo, thank you for
Thank you for
baking
having
with
me. Of course.
I had so much fun. She is incredible. Go check her out. I'm going to be putting all of her links down below to her shows and bows and clothes and
Channels and
books and all of the things. She will keep you entertained. She has like a
Thank
million
you.
things going on, and always. It's
Yes.
so great. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to show some support, hit subscribe and ding the bell so that you'll get notifications when new videos come out. Any other ideas for any
Comment
other
down below.
nerdy nummies? Comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see. All right, thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And girls,
Let's
now
try it. Yeah.
we can cheers.
Cheers.
To a cupcake.
Here we
All right, I
go.
have to pull this liner down a little bit. Let me
Yep.
peel it just a little. It's a little stuck. Here we go. Here we go.
This is my first bite of coconut ever.
I'm so curious if you're gonna like coconut.
Smells good.
Okay, let's take a bite and see if you like coconut.
All right.
Okay. This is truth or dare. Dare, do you like coconut cupcakes? Try it. JoJo, do I have something on my face?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
Cool.